If you ever take a tour to the YouTube beauty community, the most discussed and common name you will hear is Jeffree Star, a sensational American YouTuber who made his fame as a beauty influencer, makeup artist, and entrepreneur of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. But that's just a sweet start to his career in the social media world. Time after time, he started getting involved in many controversies and faced a lot of backlash in his YouTube life. For that many times, Jeffree Star had to seek cancellations of his products, millions of times viewed videos and channels too. That's what we are going to talk about today, the scandals and controversies of Jeffree Star in a timeline. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. The journey of Jeffree Star started on YouTube in early 2007. At first, he was a singer and songwriter and debuted his own music videos on the YouTube channel Jeffree Star. Later in 2014, Jeffree started his very own cosmetic brand, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and promoted his beauty products on his YouTube channel. Now, Jeffree has 16 million subscribers on YouTube, and his cosmetics line is also worth multi-million dollars. With that, this rising star has a great relationship with fellow YouTube beauty gurus and was seen in many YouTube videos with them. But soon, their sweet relationships turned into virtual wars, and Jeffree Star fans saw many colors of Jeffree's dark side. The very first and most hyped controversy that fans saw about Jeffree Star was the racism controversy. A video was published on YouTube in 2016, which was actually a compilation of Jeffree using racial slurs. Even one particular shot shows Jeffree violently yelling at women in the streets with the N-word. This started the controversy against Jeffree Star. Again, another video shows Jeffree and one of his friends making jokes about using battery acid to lighten a black woman's skin tone. Adding to this series, in 2018, Jeffree's ex-hairstylist David revealed text messages between him and Star. In this message, Jeffree Star calls Jackie Aina, a Nigerian-American YouTuber, as gorilla, another racial slur. However, in 2017, facts proved that David did this work intentionally and the texts were fake. But the racist image of Jeffree wasn't clear yet. For that, Jeffree Star made a video named Racism, where he apologized for his behavior and explained he was only 19 when he made those mistakes. But the racist image of Jeffree Star got hyped again in 2018. Jeffree came up with a post on Twitter where he wore cornrows for his cosmetics photo shoot. Fans accused Star's behavior as cultural appropriation. A Twitter war goes on between the fans and Star. Fans tweeted many times about the cultural appropriation of Star and even brought back the previous racist history of Jeffree. But this time, he went defensive and tweeted against those backlashes. The fans' tweet said, "Girl, it's not cultural appropriation. I'm black, and I don't have an issue with it, and neither does anyone in my family or my friends. All I see are white people having an issue with it. It's hair. There are people dying in other countries and you're mad about hair?" Hashtag can't relate. Jeffree replied to this fan with "ha ha ha preet, young kids trying to be mad at something always." This action of Jeffree Star made his fans mad and upset about him, and he had to face backlashes from many YouTubers and fans for his behaviors. And to spark those controversies more, Jeffree Star was found to be involved in scandals with Kat Von D, Tati Westbrook, Shane Dawson, Kylie Jenner, Kim Kardashian, and Jared Blandino. However, we came to the end of the video, but the list of Star scandals is still going on, and we hope this beauty star doesn't show up with any controversies again. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.